All right, it is here. Resin mold box is here. Treasures of the Enchanted Attic, June 2026 mold box. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. Always something good in here. All right, let's see. I'm gonna move this to the side a little bit here so I can see what's in here. All right, the first one we have is the Starry Solstice Hexagon Crystal Box. Let's see if we can find, wait a minute. Just got this one last week. Not last week, last month. All right, hold on. We're getting ahead of ourselves here. The Hexagon Crystal Box, where is that? Looks like this one. Got this. Yeah, that's this. All right, so that's the lid. How much does that hold? That holds 4.7 ounces. Okay, let's see. That's pretty. Does it have that on the top? Oh yeah, it does. I can't really see it through there though. But it's got little, I don't know, constellations, I guess. That's cute. All right, let's see what else we got. The April Showers Umbrella Vase. Oh, look, and it's an umbrella. Oh, okay, let's see. Where is it? Is it that? No, it's not that. Is it this? No. Where is it? Here it is. All right. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. What does that hold? 2 ounces. April showers, huh? It's June. A little late. All right. The Legacy Express Crown Frame. Yeah, I saw that one. Ah. All right. What's that hold? Holds 4.1 ounces. That's cute. Little picture frame. And the Lunar Heirloom Relief Jar. Got this. No. Got this. What is this? Yes, that's this. I think. Kinda looks like it is. Yep, there it is. I know someone that's gonna like that. What does that hold? 1.7 ounces. So it's a moon. It's got little stars on it. That's cute. It's supposed to be like the craters of the moon, maybe. All right, my daughter's gonna like that one. The Attic Messenger Dragonfly plaque. Didn't we just get this one? I feel like this already came in one of the monthly subscriptions. Does it have a different pattern, maybe? I don't know. Or maybe I'm thinking of the B from last month. I don't know. Let's see. This one holds 2.7 ounces. And we have the Golden Fortune ribbon bag. That would be this. That's cute. Kind of reminds me of those ones. Well, no, because that doesn't have, that has a hole in it for a vase. All right, so this holds 10 ounces. You can put little flowers in it or something. That's cute. All right, we have the Lacy Heart stacking dish. Is that this? Yeah, that's this. All right, it's 4.4 ounces. I like that one. That one's cute. Does it have hearts on the side? Yeah, it has little hearts on the side. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. That's cute. Like a miniature little cupcake stand or something. All right, and then we have the Grand Slam baseball box. That is 7.4 ounces. And that is the bonus mold as well. Look at that, it's a baseball. Okay, that's really cute. That's probably my favorite from the box. I like that. What does that hold? That holds 7.4. I don't know if I said that or not. And then we just have some little gems, a bag of gems. Those are pretty. Those are really pretty. That would go good on the, where is it? That would go good on the crown. Jewel up the crown. I bet you that's what they're for. All right. Well, that was it. Some good ones in here. I have a few that I know I will be doing right away. And I am going to investigate this dragon one, because I think I got a dragonfly already from them. But I'm not 100% sure. Well, that is it for June's box. Treasures of the Enchanted Attic. If you would like to save a little bit of money, use my link down below. And you can get a little bit off if you get one box, a whole subscription. I think they do monthly. You can do it 6 months at a time, a year at a time, month to month, or just a one-time order. Check them out. My link is in the description. All right. Happy pouring.